The space is unlimited. Now, you take your plane or Sputnik or capsule, so many things they have invented. So you go on. Now go on for how many hours or days or years? No. Panthastu koti shatavasra. For millions of years. Koti shatavasra. Go on with your speed. Panthastu koti shatavasra sampragamya. And how I shall go? Now on the plane which is running on this velocity of the air. Not this velocity, not this speed, 500 miles or 1000 miles per hour. No. What is the speed of air?
496,000 miles per second.
96 miles per second. These are mentioned in the Vedic literature that if you go by this speed, air, some 96,000 miles per second. So just imagine what is the speed of air. So panthastu koti satavasya sampragamma vayorathapi. On the plane which is running on the speed of air. That speed and for millions of years. Then again it is suggested not only on the speed of air but also on the speed of mind. The mind, everyone will know what is the speed of mind. Even 1/10,000th part of a second you can go millions of miles. The speed of mind. It is so speedy. You are sitting here and suppose you have seen something which is millions of miles here, miles away, you can immediately, your mind can go immediately. So these two examples are given. Just see how much scientific they were. This rascal says that there was no advanced mind or advanced scientists. And where from these words are coming? The speed of air, the speed of mind, unless they had some experiments, some knowledge. Why? How these books are written? So, panthastu koti satavasya sampragamya vayorathapi manasu. And how the speedy planes are manufactured. Munipungavana, by the greatest scientists and greatest thoughtful men, manufactured by them. So is that perfection? No. Sapastija parpadasimna avichintatati. Still you shall remain in inconceivable understanding what is this creation. Still, if you are so advanced that you can run on these feet, and if you are greatest scientist and thoughtful philosopher, still you remain in the same condition, unknown. Still. So how you can study Krishna? And Krishna has created all these things. See, if you cannot understand Krishna's created things, how you can understand Krishna? Is it not possible at all? It is not possible. Therefore, this Vrindavan status of mind for the devotees is the perfection. They have no business to understand Krishna. They want to love Krishna without condition. Because Krishna is God, therefore I love. Their mentality is not like that. Krishna is not displaying in Vrindavan as God. He is playing there as ordinary cowherd boy. But at times he is proving that he is the Supreme Personality of God. But they do not care to know it. So outside Vrindavan, just like Kunti Devi, Kunti Devi is not inhabitant of Vrindavan. She is inhabitant of Hastinapur, outside Vrindavan. The outside devotees, the devotees who are outside Vrindavan, they are studying the inhabitants of the Vrindavan, how great they are. But the inhabitants of Vrindavan, they don't care to know how great is Krishna. That is the difference. So our business is simply to love Krishna. The more you love Krishna, the more you become perfect. It is not that it is necessary to understand Krishna, how he has created. The things are mentioned there. Krishna is explaining himself in the Bhagavad Gita. So much. Don't bother very much to know Krishna. That is not possible. Simply increase your unalloyed love for Krishna. That is perfection of life. Thank you.
Thank you. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare 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 Bol Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Bol Jaya Prabhupada 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Radha Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,